I've been using Atlas Earth for about 2.5 years now. I make about $200 a year with no investment. Let me show you how I did it and what I plan to do with the account going forward. So you can see I've made about $510. Not bad, right? But I do have to say that this didn't happen immediately, but with time, you can make this happen with no investment. Let's quickly look at the home interface of the app. At the very top, you can see my rent accruing, and at the very top left, you can see my profile picture. I'll go over my profile a little more in depth later in the video. On the top right, you see the boost button. Every time you watch an ad, you get an hour multiplier based on the country you live in and the amount of plots you have. You can bank up to 6 hours at a time, and this is going to be the main way you make money once you've built up all your plots. I'll explain this more in detail later in the video. On the top left button, you see a leaderboard, but the button below that is what I want to go over, which is the daily login. So you get free Atlas bucks for every day you log in, with checkpoints of 8, 25, 50, 80, and if you log in the app for 90 days straight, you get 200 free Atlas bucks. Below the daily login button, we have monthly challenges. You can also get free Atlas bucks by interacting with the app's ads, surveys, and games. You can see these green squares. These are plots of land I've already purchased. If you click Buy Land, you can see that these green squares are plots available for me to purchase. They cost 100 Atlas bucks each and give you a little bit of rent per second. I'll go over rent earnings later in the video. Next, let's click the Shop tab on the bottom left. If you scroll down a bit, you can see that you can buy Atlas bucks, but you can also get 2 Atlas bucks for watching an ad. This was the main way I built my account with no investment. If we go back to the Home tab and then click the Events tab, you can see Diamond Hunt. Click Spin Wheel and you'll have a chance at up to 50 free Atlas bucks. The odds aren't great, but it has happened to me a few times over the years, so it can happen. It costs 1 diamond to spin. I'll show you how to get those diamonds soon, but let's do 3 spins real quick. So the first one got me 8. Oh, very nice. The second one got me 2. Not bad. And the third one got me another 2. So 12 Atlas bucks, just like that. It also gives you the option for 2 more spins if you're willing to watch an ad for each spin. The main way to collect diamonds is to find them throughout the world. In my opinion, the best way to find diamonds is to be the passenger in a car while somebody's driving. You can collect diamonds really quick that way, but I have one piece of advice. Make sure to click them early because at higher speeds, the app does have a little bit of lag. So let's talk about buying plots and how much these can make you. You have a 50% chance of pulling a common plot, a 30% chance of pulling a rare plot, which gives you about 45% more rent than a common plot. You have a 15% chance of pulling an epic plot, which is double the rent of a common plot. And then at 5%, you have a legendary plot, which gives you 4 times the amount of a common plot. If you look at my account, you can see that I have a total of 150 plots. The reason I stay at 150 is because if I go any higher, my boost goes from 30 times to 20 times. Meaning I would need to get up to 220 plots to see the same rent that I get today. The only difference is between super rent days, which is 50 times regardless of what kind of plots you have. So when you do have more plots, you do make more on those days. For Australia, Canada, Ireland, United Kingdom, and South Africa, it seems that 100 plots is the best, which is 10,000 Atlas bucks. For Germany, France, and the Netherlands, 100 plots or 10,000 Atlas bucks seems to be the best. Mexico seems the best with 80 plots or 8,000 Atlas bucks. And finally, in Japan and South Korea, 105 plots or 10,500 Atlas bucks seems to be the best bang for your buck. Another way to boost your earnings is by buying badges. Each badge costs 200 Atlas bucks, and you can get a new badge whenever you travel to a new city or state if you live in the United States. If you look at my profile right under my name, you'll see that I'm at a level 3, 15% boost in my rent earnings. Click that, and you'll see that I have quite a few badges. The reason I have so many Atlas bucks saved up is because I can only find badges when I go way out of town at this point. Anyways, as you can see, the more badges you get, the higher your rent increases. After you hit your max plots, I will go straight for badges. It is fun putting a random plot of land somewhere, but unless you actually go there, you'll never see it. So I do like having the badges, and it does show you the dates from when you actually got those badges. I think it's kind of neat. The last thing I wanted to show you all is a live withdrawal. So if you click your rent on the very top, you'll see that I have about $7. So click Redeem Now. You can see that I make a $10 withdrawal about every 16 or 18 days. But in this instance, we're just going to go with the $7. So click Redeem Now. Let's add $7. And then we're going to click Next. And then we're going to click Get Cash. Next, we'll click Confirm. Next, it'll have you enter your phone number, which will send you a text confirmation. And there's the cash out confirmation from the app. So click OK. Then I'll click Redeem $7 once this pops up. There are multiple ways to cash out, but personally, I just use my bank account. So let's scroll down, and then you'll find Bank Transfer. So click that. Then enter your bank account info, scroll down, and click Transfer $7. And that's it. Should be in my bank account within 1 or 2 days. Pretty easy, right? So that's pretty much it. There are games and surveys where you can win Atlas bucks, but I just wanted to show you how I maintain my account and how I make my $10 every couple weeks. But just as another reminder, just know you won't be earning as much as I do right away. You're going to have to build up your plots, watching ads, building up your Atlas bucks, but eventually you can earn about $200 a year. All of this with no financial investment. It is pretty fun to put plots in random places as well. I have them in sports stadiums, I have them in random like hospitals, places I've worked, and when you do go back to those places, it's kind of fun to see your plot. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. I'll always be on the lookout for new ways to get passive income with Bitcoin and other things like that, and I'll be sure to break everything down for you. I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.